Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I'm going to show you how to convert any image into transparent. So most of the people are facing this issue, and creating a transparent image is becoming difficult, and if you go and check in Google, you may not find a similar image what you want. So even your image as also your photo itself, you can convert it, you can translate into the transparent image. That is really helpful for you, and also you can make this image however you want. So now I have taken a pic here, and I just going to select this one, then go to edit. So this is the latest version of Canva. So you can go here, and first let's remove this background, and you can remove it from here itself. Then you can go here, and you can see, and you can see this, like, you wanted to, like, change the image style or something, like, you can do that as well. See here, that also. Okay, then you just remove background. So I'm just working on that, so it will remove background. So now you can see this is our image. Then you go to share, and now you wanted to download this one, you have to download it here. Just click on download, then you have to click here transparent background. So this is again this is not in a free edition, this is a licensed one, then only it will work. If there are multiple pages, then you have to select the specific page which you want to download, then click on download, it will work. Okay, it will take a few seconds, but it will work. Okay, you can just save it. So you are done. So I have saved it here. Let me open and show you. It's in a transparent. Yes, it's in a PNG format. It's a transparent completely. You can use this one anywhere, wherever you want.